this video, let's unbox this Hampton Bay solar light. It's a LED spotlights and it comes in a pack of 2, as you can see. The other important points are it's a 50 lumens light, and here it says that it runs for 8 hours, so it has 8 hours of operating time. Here are the dimensions on the right, if you can see it clearly. So it's an 8 inches of light, solar light, and then 5 inches of ground stake, 3.5 inches of width. Let's unbox it. A manual, 2 ground stakes, and a solar light. Okay, this looks beautiful. So at the top, this is the solar panel, as you can see, and in the front, this is the spotlight. So at the bottom, here is the button. So if you move it to left, it's off. Moving it to right, it's on. So during the daytime, it charges the battery, which is a rechargeable battery inside the solar panel. This solar light comes with a AA rechargeable battery, as you can see. And during night, when there is a night time, it turns on. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, so 2 more important points. You see this knob, you can turn it on and it will help you to change the direction of the light. So it can move up or it can move down, and then you can tilt it. Another point is the solar panel at the top, you can change the direction so that more and more sunlight can be used to recharge the battery inside. You can move it to up, down, and you can move it to right or left. Pretty cool, huh? So let's put it in the backyard and see how it functions, how much light we actually get, and how bright the light is. Only time will tell how long these lights will last. But if you want to buy this pair of light, you can buy it at Home Depot. This pair will cost you around $16.88 plus taxes. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you like my video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye for now.